Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can log out from the Dubsmash app. For example, if you want to create a new Dubsmash account or for any reason if you want to log out from the Dubsmash app, you can do that. And this is my Android app. First I'll open the Dubsmash app. Here it is. So you can see something like profile here at the bottom. So click on that, and at right top corner you'll see a gear symbol or the setting symbol. So click on that. So once you click on the settings, you can find the logout here. So if you click on logout, it will again ask for the confirmation here. So it will give the ID, means this is the ID and this is the account. And so if you are sure if you want to log out, you can click on this logout button. By clicking on this logout button, you can successfully log out from this account, and you can log in again with your new account, or whenever you want you can log in with the same account. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.